competitor from Cleveland, Ohio, possesses an incredibly aggressive and confident mindset. Jericho taking a lot of damage here. He has the hooks the leg. What a match.
No, somehow. I can't believe Chris is still in this.
When Jericho senses weakness, he begins to move with increased urgency. Hey, you can't do that to The Miz.
Jericho's a very religious man, Michael. He worships himself. Wow, talk about timing. Wow, Jericho is so slippery.
Jericho, so adept at thinking 3 steps ahead, can turn defense into offense in a moment's notice. If you're just joining us, welcome to Monday Night Raw.
He's going for the pin. This could...
And a kick out at 2 by Jericho.
What is Chris Jericho running on?
He's back on.